Hey there, I'm Brad, here to talk a little bit today about EZ4x4 and their flip top. We first met Brian and the EZ4x4 crew at the SEMA show where we had the flip tops installed. We run around all over Nevada, deserts, mountains. We're here in Moab today. Saw Brian, stopped to talk to him and let him know about our experience. It's been great. We've had no rattles, no leaks. It's super convenient. We go out wheeling. The weather in Nevada can change in a heartbeat. We'll have the tops open, enjoy the sunshine, the fresh air. The weather turns, it's very easy to close. Off we go. We're not getting wet, we're not getting dusted out if we had a dusty part. And the tops are not taking up all the valuable room that we have for recovery gear, emergency gear, first aid kits, things like that in the back of the Jeep. Great product, and it's stood up to the test of time. We're very, very happy with it. Would recommend it to everybody that we know. We have a Wrangler 392 JLU. Works great on Wranglers, works great on Gladiators, and it's just one of many products that EZ4x4 makes that are all top quality. They've got a customer for life in us, so thanks so much.